I'm a trained teacher, I'm an actress, and I'm a private tutor, so I know how to make learning fun. I am today going to help you to help your child to learn phonics, or if they already know them, you'll be able to help them learn new words. So basically, I'm going to teach you today phase 2, which is just every letter of the alphabet. Now, every letter has got a name. Let me get out my trusty pointer. The name of that one is A. The sound is A. And then there's an action. Ooh, you're going to like this. It's like an ant crawling up your arm. Okay? Now, if you want to help your child to learn words, and by the end of this, you will be able to do, you can put things underneath called sound buttons. Now, I've just drawn these on with my whiteboard pen. Sound buttons. Every time you go onto a sound button, like that, you see? Sat, 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 sat. Okay? So you do it quicker and quicker and quicker, and then in the end, it becomes a word. I am now going to go through every letter of the alphabet and teach you each of the phonemes. So I'm going to teach you the sound and the action. You're going to have a lot of fun learning these. By the end of it, you're going to be doing lots of interesting words and sounding them out with your kids. It's going to be great. So I'm going to do it through the alphabet, but at school they actually teach them in a different order, but I'm going to do it like this. So let's have a little look. We've got, like I said before, ah, and we do ah, 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 ah. Okay? This is a B, obviously, but we say B. And for this one, it's like hitting a bat and ball. So schools will all do it differently, but this is basically it. So it's B, 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 or some of them might do B, 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 like that, okay? So that's B. C, we've got castanets. Okay? D, which is D, and it's like drumming, so it's like D, 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 D. E, this is like cracking an egg, and I think by now you will have worked out that each of the letters stands for the start of something that you're doing. So like A is for ant, E is for egg, cracking an egg. Go like this. Looks like cracking an egg, I know. F, fish. Now obviously they didn't really know how to do a fish, so what they've done is they've decided that they will do a blow-up fish, and the children will go as the air's coming out of it. Yeah. G, which is water going down a plug hole, so it's like g, 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 g. H, it is like you have been for a really long run and you are out of breath. Okay? This one, I'm a teacher, and it makes absolutely no sense. Inky Mouse. Yeah, have a think about that one. J. Jelly on a plate. J. And I know at some schools they pretend like they've got the jelly on the plate, so they go like that. K. This is good because it's the same sound as K. And it's again castanets. So that's them two sorted. L. Ul. So it's not L, it's ul. Because when you do things like lollipop, ul. Okay, so that's L. M, very, very hungry. You've had something lovely to eat and you're going, mmm. So you're rubbing your tummy in a circular motion. Mmm. Okay. Kids love this one. That's N, N, and the sound is N. So it's like you're an aeroplane. N. Okay. O. This is like turning a light switch on and off. O. P. This is a good one. So pretend it's your birthday and you're blowing out the candles. Okay, really get those candles blown out. Q. Like a quacking duck. Quack, 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 quack. R. You've got to pretend like you're a dog with this one. And you've got a chew toy. You've got it in your mouth, or you've got a rope, and you're going, arr, arr. I know. I look pretty stupid doing all these, but, you know, as a primary school teacher, you've got to do them. So, this is actually the first letter that the children learn, so they will all know this. It's S for snake. So, you just kind of make, I don't know, the shape of a snake. S. T. Like you're watching a tennis match. You're watching the ball going from side to side. T, 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 t. Okay? U. Now this is a good one. When I was working down south in Kent, I had to do because they say it differently to us. But up north, we say up, as in like up. So it's like you have got an umbrella and you are putting it up and you're going up. V for van. I'm driving my van. W, okay, so it's like you are blowing the wind. I don't know. Okay, this, it's X, yeah? But it's not X when we say it, it's X. So it's like you're saying kiss without the I, X, like that. And this one is like you're taking a picture, so yeah, like you're eating a yogurt. Yummy yogurt. And finally, but you can't wait for this one. Z. It's like a buzzy bee. Z. Okay. So now you know the sounds and you know the actions of each letter. I'm going to go through them really quickly and you'll be able to do this soon, I promise you. B, 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 k, 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 d, 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 g, 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 j, 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 k, 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 o, yeah. Z. There you go. Now the aim of this is to finally help your child to read and write fluently, obviously. But for now, you should be able to do things like this. Very simple words, but you can't say them until I've pointed to the sound button. B-it, 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 bait. So it's like going bait, b-it, b-it, bait, like that. You are actually making it so that the child can say not just the phonemes, but the whole word. Next lesson, I am going to do phase 3. This is phase 2. I'm going to do phase 3. These are phonemes, one sound. The next lesson is going to be digraphs, 2 sounds. Then after that, phase 4, phase 5, phase 6, and you'll be able to be a teacher yourself. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.